Title: The Game of Chess, Mastering Strategic Thinking in Business. Now, you ever played chess? If you have, you know it ain't just about the next move. It's about the next 10 moves. It's about seeing the whole board, not just your side. Business is a lot like that. You got to think ahead, predict your competitors' moves, and have a game plan. So here's how we apply that chess mindset to the business world. First, every piece on your chessboard is an asset: your employees, products, and brand. They've each got their unique moves, their strengths and weaknesses. Like a knight's L-shaped move, your marketing team might have unconventional methods to overcome obstacles. Embrace these quirks and learn how to utilize them best. Just like chess, businesses face threats from all directions. But remember, a good chess player doesn't run scared. They adjust their strategy and they adapt. If the competitor is about to launch a new product, it's your turn to move, innovate, pivot, and up your marketing game. Show them what you got. Then there's the king, the goal. In chess, it's all about protecting your king while trying to checkmate the opponent. In business, your king is your core objective: growth or sustainability. Keep your eye on that prize, guard it, and pursue it. But avoid chasing your opponent's king so you don't forget your own. Lastly, remember, every game ain't won by checkmate. Sometimes it's a draw, and that's all right. In business, only some ventures will end in a monopoly. And that's cool. It's about playing the game, learning the moves, and becoming a better player. So pick up that chess piece and make your move. This ain't just a game, it's business.